भाई महिंद्रा ने तो कमाल कर दिया। इतनी सस्ती प्राइस में इतनी लग्जरी। वीडियो पूरी देखो वरना पछताओगे। ये रियर डिजाइन देखो भाई, बिल्कुल प्रीमियम फील देता है।
फुल फैमिली या फुल बिजनेस लोड।
Experience the night like never before. With its dynamic LED lighting and sleek design, the future of mobility is here.
Now let's look at the motor itself. We've optimized the torque delivery, meaning you get maximum power exactly when you need it, significantly boosting efficiency.
All right, guys, check out the new ride. This thing absolutely flies. Let's see what it can do on the open road. This is the future of urban transport. Let's see how it handles the busy road. Check out the incredible turning radius on this new model. Let me show you how it handles tight spaces. One of the key features is the incredibly smooth braking performance. No jerks whatsoever when coming to a stop.
As you can see, even on the roughest terrain, this vehicle provides an incredibly stable and smooth ride for all passengers.
And right here, the new Matrix LED headlights. Look how bright they are.
Body design here is revolutionary. They've integrated these LED strips seamlessly, and the two-tone yellow and black styling gives it a super aggressive modern look.
Let's take a closer look inside. The transition is seamless, and the soft ambient lighting really highlights the luxury feel of these premium seats.
ये सीट्स इतनी कंफर्टेबल हैं कि लॉन्ग रूट्स पे भी थकान नहीं होगी।
Check this out. The fully digital dashboard gives you real-time diagnostics and navigation, all customizable right here.
Now look at this stylish roof design. These support bars aren't just for looks, they integrate perfectly with the ventilation system for maximum airflow.
Look at this legroom, guys. I am 6 feet tall and I can completely stretch out in the back of this. It is incredibly spacious and comfortable.
And with the push of a button, you can see the power come to life. This is the future, right here.
Welcome to the future of urban mobility. As you can see, the acceleration is incredibly smooth.
As you can see, even on the roughest terrain, this vehicle provides an incredibly stable and smooth ride for all passengers.
देती है भाई, इससे डेली 3,000-5,000 कमा सकते हो।
Charging is completely seamless, and with the money you'll save on fuel, the benefits really add up.
We've integrated style and durability. Check out the redesigned alloy wheel and the chrome logo, complemented by the sleek side mirrors and ergonomic handles.
Welcome aboard, guys.
Oh wow, this is incredible.
It feels so spacious inside.
है इस प्राइस में आपको इतनी लग्जरी कहीं नहीं मिलेगी। इस प्राइस में आपको इतनी लग्जरी कहीं नहीं मिलेगी।
This isn't just an auto rickshaw, it's an experience. Prepare to see your city in a whole new light.
भाई अगर आप स्मार्ट बनना चाहते हो तो ये डील मिस मत करना। कमेंट करो यारी